Hi, Carlos del Chilito Food Truck in Stamford, Connecticut. I just want to let you know we have a new taco. We call it taco de birria. In our menu, we have like 25 different tacos, but we adding a new taco because our customers been asking for the tacos de birria, and we have it. This is how it looks like. Looking good, looking good. I just want to let you know we're doing this taco de birria only on the truck for now. Later on we're going to do at the restaurant in Riverside, but for now only the truck. We're going to have it Wednesday and Saturday. Only Wednesday and Saturday at the truck. At the restaurant in Riverside in Greenwich, later on. I will do another video to let you know we have at the restaurant, okay? Looking good, looking good. One order comes with 3 tacos and the consomme, and this is what you're gonna do. You're gonna grab your taco, you're gonna dip it into your consomme, we call it. Enjoy. So good. You guys can miss it. You guys gotta come and try it. It's so good. You can feel the meat, the spices, no spices, the condiments. Delicious. You guys gotta come and try it, okay? And I'm doing this in this video in English for who doesn't speak Spanish, okay? Come and try it. Don't miss it.